Switchwords. Let's talk about switchwords. I am sure most of you know about it, and yet there are people who are a bit unsure. They are not sure how to use it. What do they do? And one question I get asked is, does switchword work? And with everything else, yes, it does. And the reason is switchword works like a switch in your subconscious. So we have two brains mainly, conscious and subconscious. And switchword works on our subconscious, it works on our manifestation, it works for our desires, for getting that money you want, or getting that lottery, or a life partner, business. Switchword can be used for so many different things. Basically, switchword helps you to work in your life to get the desired result. So, with your efforts, whatever you are doing in your life, when you combine switch words, it does a miraculous job. And there is one beautiful and a master switch word which is called together. You can use this word together for anything and everything. Even we can do Reiki healing. And the purpose of this video is to ask you, would you like me to create some switch words combined with Reiki healing? As you are aware, Reiki is a wonderful, beautiful, high vibrational energy. When we combine it with the switch words, the energies are going to be developed. So the result will be more faster and more quicker. Hence, I have made this video. Switchword has a high vibration. Reiki healing itself has a wonderful vibration. And I am thinking to combine switchwords with our crystals, with Reiki, so that whatever we are working on in our life, we get the maximum benefits. Let me know in the comments if you would like me to create only switchword videos or you would want to see switchword, Reiki, crystals, all the energies combined. As when we combine all the energies together, we get a beautiful transformation, a beautiful, wonderful manifestation. If that is of your interest to you, let me know in the comments. Thank you so much.